Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're looking for that sheer radiant skin which has less makeup but still your skin looks flawless, easy to do, and this dewy skin which just makes you feel that it's the glow from within, then please keep on watching. If this is your first time watching me on YouTube, hi, my name is Sunny and I create beauty and skincare related videos here on my channel for brown skin and for hooded eyes. If that is your interest, consider subscribing to this channel. So I always kind of start from skincare. So I'm gonna be using the Milk Makeup vegan milk moisturizer. I'm gonna just take a small amount, rub it in between my fingers, give myself a really good kind of like a massage, and definitely not forget your neck because that also needs some love and some skincare. Also, I'm gonna be prepping my lips, and for that I'm gonna be using the Laneige lip mask. I'm just gonna take a small lip brush and I'm gonna just apply it on my dry, crusty and dusty lips. So before I do anything in my makeup routine, you guys know that I love to kind of fill my brows. This is my favorite brow pencil. This is precisely my brow from Benefit, and I'm gonna be filling out all these sparse areas like my sparse life not full of fun. I'm back with my brows being filled, and now we're going to be moving into the foundation, and this is the showstopper of today's video, which is MAC Studio Face and Body. Now this is a very much of like a sheer coverage foundation as well as it hydrates your skin, which is what we are going for today. So I'm going to shake this bottle on the back of my hand. I'm going to take a small squirt and I'm going to just do this one side and I'm going to show you guys how it looks. Let me kind of just zoom you guys in a little bit. As you guys can see, this provides this sort of like hydration and this radiant kind of glowy skin. As we're not doing eyeshadows today, I'm gonna just take whatever is left on my fingers and rub it on my eyelids to kind of just mask a little bit of this discoloration. Next, we're gonna be moving into concealer, and for that I'm gonna be using the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Magic Concealer in the shade C15. If you're using concealer for this kind of a look, I'm gonna be suggesting you guys to use a concealer which kind of matches your skin tone, but don't pick that shade which you use to highlight your under eyes. So I'm gonna just kind of make one a little bit here. Using my beauty blender, I'm just gonna kind of dab it around the areas where I just want to bring a little bit of highlight. So these are the areas where I want to have a little bit more coverage and to give myself this kind of like an awake and fresh look. Next, I'm going to bring some dimension back into my face, and for that I'm going to be using the SOL Soul Beauty cream to powder bronzer. This is in the shade dark. This is what it kind of looks like, and I'm going to be using kind of like a angled kabuki brush. Take a little bit like this on the back of my hand, and I'm gonna just place it on the high planes of my cheek area, a little bit on my nose, and to kind of bring this non-existing jawline at play. So for my blush, I'm gonna be using this cute palette which I have from Elf Cosmetics, the blush quad. But these are like really good and kind of blends flawlessly into the skin. So I'm gonna be using this shade which has more of like a peachy undertone because that's what complements my skin tone. So if you've got a similar skin tone which is like me, kind of go for blush tones which are more corally or on the peachy side. So I'm gonna just take a little amount on this beauty blender and press something like this. I like this kind of like a flushed cheek moment. Now I'm going to be using some powder to set certain places on my face, and I'm going to be using the One Size Beauty Translucent Skin Powder. I'm just going to take a little bit amount again, kind of use the excess on the back of my hand, and I'm going to start pressing it under my eyes, my creasy ass eyelids, my smile lines, and a little bit on my nose. As you guys can see, I have left this area to set because this is where I'm gonna be applying a little bit of highlighter, and this is the part of the face where you want the radiance and glow to kind of come through. Now this is the Elf Jelly Highlighter, and this is I think in the shade called Cloudy. This is the kind of the consistency of this product. You can again use any kind of a liquid highlighter. This is one of my favorites. I don't know whether Elf still creates this, but I'm gonna just dab a little bit to kind of highlight and use the sponge to press the pigment here. Like I said, if you guys don't have these products, you can actually go for any kind of like a liquid highlighter which you have got in your kit. It's again about just the techniques, and the best part about these kind of products is this kind of just melts into the skin, which looks like really natural. You guys can see that how my skin is looking this perfect glowing natural skin. I'm just gonna curl my lashes and use some mascara. For my mascara, I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Lash Sensational. This is the waterproof mascara. You can use any mascara for your lashes. This one is really good because it kind of holds the curls, gives me some volume. Now the last step which is left is of course my lips, and by this time my lips are completely hydrated, and on my lips I'm going to be wearing this Ultra Blot Lip by Colourpop. This has a very much of like a blotted lip effect. You can go for any kind of lip tint, lip balm which has a little bit of tint to that, but this is what I'm going to be using today on my lips. So this is the finished look. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys have learned something out of this video. Any of the tips and techniques which you guys want to share with me, just let me know into the comment section below and share it with your friends. I'm gonna see you guys